In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in CapCut and remove black bars in just a few easy steps. Whether you're editing for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even a regular YouTube video, getting rid of those black bars can instantly make your video look cleaner, more professional, and much better optimized for the platform you're posting on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and quick how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Once your project is loaded, you'll see your clip on the timeline. The first method you can use is changing the aspect ratio. This is one of the fastest ways to remove black bars, especially if the bars are there because the video shape doesn't match the screen format. Tap on your video clip so it's selected, then look at the bottom toolbar and scroll until you find Ratio. Tap Ratio, and CapCut will show you several common formats. If you're making content for TikTok or Instagram Reels, choose 9:16. If you're editing for YouTube or a widescreen platform, choose 16:9. CapCut will automatically adjust the canvas to match that format, which can help remove those black bars right away. Now, if the black bars are still visible or if your video doesn't quite fill the frame the way you want, the next method is to manually zoom in and fill the screen. Tap the clip in the timeline again to make sure it's selected. Then look at the preview screen, where you'll usually see handles or the ability to pinch and zoom. Use those controls to enlarge the video until the black bars are pushed completely off screen. This method is especially useful when the aspect ratio change alone doesn't fully solve the problem. Just be careful not to zoom in too much, because if you overdo it, you may cut off important parts of the video. The goal is to fill the screen while keeping the subject properly framed. The third method is to use the crop tool directly. This is a great option when you want more control over exactly what stays in the frame. Tap the clip in your timeline, then go to the top toolbar and look for the crop icon. Tap crop, and you'll see corner handles appear around the video. Drag those handles to trim away the unwanted edges and remove any black bars or extra empty space. Once you're happy with the framing, tap confirm to apply the crop. This method gives you more precision, and it's especially helpful if only part of the frame needs adjustment. A good tip is to always preview your clip after cropping or resizing. Play it back and check that your subject still looks centered and that no important details were cut off. Sometimes, removing black bars can slightly change how the video feels in the frame, so it's worth taking a few seconds to review the final result. If you're working on a vertical video, the easiest solution is usually ratio first, then zoom in if needed. If you're working with a landscape clip inside a vertical project, manual zoom or crop will often give you the cleanest result. The best method depends on the type of footage you're editing, but all three options can help you get rid of black bars in CapCut quickly. And that's how to crop a video in CapCut and remove black bars using aspect ratio, zoom, and the crop tool. Now you can make your videos look much more polished and ready to post on any platform. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.